In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Grok AI image to a video generator. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up a web browser and head on over to grok.com and sign into your account, or sign up if you don't have an account. Then from here on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and open up these tabs here and click on the Imagine tab. Now from here we want to go ahead and upload an image, so go ahead and click on, make sure that's on image, and then we need to find that image you would like to change into a video. As you can see in this demonstration, they've got a few images already being transferred to video, so we want to try and replicate that. So click on upload a file. So what I'm going to do is put in a image of Trumpy. So with his image, what I want to do, make sure that's clicked on to make video. And from here, we want to go ahead and customize this video. So what should we make Trumpy do? I'm thinking of making him do the Macarena dance. So I'm going to type in here, make Donald Trump do the Macarena dance. Now before that, once your image gets uploaded, you can see they're going to transfer that image into him moving around and etc. But I want to customize this video. So I'm just going to pause this and then I'm going to say, make Donald Trump do the Macarena. Hope I spelt that right, and I've got a spelling mistake here, so it's going to fix that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on to send. So now as you can see, it's loading him doing this dance, so hopefully it turns out okay, but you kind of get the gist of how to do this. So I'm just going to pause this video, and once it hits 100% I'll press play. Okay, so here we go. So not too shabby.